Now that you've created your products and set up your funnel, you're all ready to go and start selling. But one thing I recommend you do is to list your products on a platform or a network that will handle paying out the affiliate commissions for you and that will help you in getting affiliates. And the top platforms or networks out there are JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and ClickBank. Now, if you're not in the make money online niche or the internet marketing niche, then I recommend you sell on ClickBank. But if you're on the make money or internet marketing niche, JVZoo and Warrior Plus are very good for those niches. They attract a lot of affiliates. Okay, they provide the buy now buttons for you. They pay you instantly through PayPal, and of course, there's no need for a merchant account. And same with ClickBank. If you list your products on ClickBank, you don't need a merchant account. But I recommend you test out other networks out there, see what works best for your types of products and your business, and also the situation that you're in. Okay, so lastly, I want to provide a case study in this video. It's my case study. I had a product launch on JVZoo in January of this year. I had it open for 7 days. I generated between 15 to 20,000. I'm not sure the exact numbers. I'm just estimating here. And what I did was, after it closed, I relisted it on the Warrior Plus network a couple months later in the month of March as a spring break special. I listed it again for 7 days. It probably did around half the amount of sales as it did on JVZoo originally. But probably, the reasons for this were that I listed it too soon. Okay, it was, and a lot of the affiliates who promoted the second time, they also promoted the first time, and so a lot of their customers and subscribers were already exposed to this product, and a lot of them already bought it the first time they saw it in January. Okay, so there could be various other reasons, but anyways, I listed it again on the Warrior Plus network in the month of May. So this is the third time of me launching this product, and again, I didn't change anything for the product. I didn't update it. I didn't do anything for it. I just relisted it on Warrior Plus in the month of May as part of my birthday special, and I listed it for 3 days. And to my surprise, it did the same amount of sales, if not more, than when it originally launched in January for that 7 day listing. So that just goes to show you that things are very unpredictable in this business. It's best for you to test things out because what works for me may not work for you. You just got to go out there and just execute and just put in the work.